Hey everyone! If you want to run a free online course platform with Tutor LMS but want to monetize your certificates for free courses, I have news for you. Introducing Tutor Paid Certificate Download, which is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First things first, let's make sure you have all the required plugins installed. You'll need, let me assume that Tutor LMS, Tutor Pro, and WooCommerce are installed and activated. Perfect. All three are active. If you don't have these yet, install them first, then come back to this tutorial. Now let's install the Tutor Paid Certificate Download plugin. If you have the plugin zip file, go to Plugins, Add New, then click Upload Plugin. Choose your zip file and click Install Now. Before we configure a course, we need to create a WooCommerce product for the certificate. This is what students will purchase. Let's go to Products, Add New. I'll create a product called Course Completion Certificate. Make sure the product type is set to Simple Product. Now click Publish. Perfect. We now have a product that students can purchase to unlock their certificate. Now for the fun part, configuring a course to use paid certificates. Let's go to Tutor, Courses, and edit an existing course or create a new one. I'll edit this course here. Notice we're in the Course Builder interface. Now go to Legacy mode by clicking this option. Let me scroll down. And here it is, the Paid Certificate section. This is where all the magic happens. First, I'll check the Enable Paid Certificate checkbox. This activates the paid certificate feature for this specific course. Now I need to select the WooCommerce product we just created. Click the drop-down and you'll see all your published WooCommerce products. I'll select Course Completion Certificate. Next, we can customize the button text. By default, it says Pay to Download Certificate, but you can change this to anything you want. Let me change it to Get Your Certificate to make it more compelling. And finally, we can customize the button color. The default is yellow, which is YARFFC 107. Perfect. Now I'll click Update to save all these settings. Great! The course has been updated. The paid certificate is now configured for this course. Now let's test the complete flow from a student's perspective. I'll log out and log in as a test student account. First, the student needs to enroll in the course. If it's a paid course, they'll complete the purchase first. For this demo, let's assume the course is free, so enrollment is instant. Now, the student goes through and completes all the course content, lessons, quizzes, assignments, whatever is required. Once the course is completed, the student reaches the completion page. Normally, they would see a View Certificate button here, but because we enabled paid certificates, they now see our custom Get Your Certificate $55 button in pink. This is exactly what we configured. When the student clicks this button, they're redirected to the WooCommerce product page for the certificate. Here's the product page. The student can see the price, add it to cart, and proceed to checkout. Let me add it to cart and go to checkout. On the checkout page, the student enters their payment information. I'll use a test payment method. Now I'll place the order. Perfect. The order has been placed. Now, the key thing here is that the order status needs to be completed for the certificate to unlock. This usually happens automatically with most payment gateways, but for some methods like bank transfer, you might need to manually mark it as completed. Let's go back to the course completion page and see what happens. Amazing! The button has changed from Get Your Certificate $55 to View Certificate. The certificate is now unlocked and available for download. When the student clicks this, they can download their certificate as a PDF. And there it is, the certificate. The student now has their verified certificate that they paid for. Let's switch back to the admin view and explore the reporting features. Go to Tutor, Certificate Purchases. This is your command center for all certificate sales, and you have a detailed table showing all certificate purchases. You now have everything you need to start monetizing your course certificates. Whether you're offering free courses or paid ones, this plugin gives you a powerful way to generate additional revenue. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Tutor LMS tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.